Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, I know I haven't posted for like a week or like 9 days. Well, yeah, that's because I've been watching like football playoffs and I've been doing schoolwork. So yeah, that's really what's been happening on schoolwork. No way! A meteor shower! There's no way. Bro, it's a meteor shower. Guys, like I'm actually gonna call my friend and tell him. Like he needs to know this. There's a meteor shower. Yeah, he needs to know this, guys. Oh no. We have to call him. Okay, guys, I'm calling him. Hey bro! There's a meteor shower! Join me! Yeah! I'm not joking! Hurry up! I'm not joking! There's a meteor shower! Wait, hurry up! Give me a mythic! Give me a mythic! Give me! That's all I want! Because I want it. Did it end? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Guys, I don't know where the mythic meteor shower is. Oh, it's in strawberry. It's in strawberry. Yeah, baby! Let's go! Oh! Yeah, guys. We're gonna be playing with. At least you got it. Guys, let's go! Right when I start recording. Oh, this is great. Oh, mythic meteor shower. Oh, you got strawberry? What are you doing? Oh. No, guys, it's over. Oh, this is sad. You guys, I basically didn't even get to do my intro. Oh, there's still meteors. Are you joking? Oh, let's go. Now I can still get that mythic meteor egg. It's not mythic. Money. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Whoa. Okay, give me. This one's so tiny. Okay, give me that. Yeah, guys, let's go. This is OP. This is so OP. This is the best thing ever. I know. But like mid game players are like, oh. I know. No, it's over. No.
I didn't get
Oh, let's go, guys. I got someone. I have 58 million. Okay. So yeah, guys, I didn't really get to do an intro. Also, like, I'm gonna be posting more. I know I didn't post in like a week or so. That's because like I've been busy with schoolwork. Also, I have a gifted yeah. Help! And I have a gifted gummy. No! Yeah, and also Death Gamer, he has the 35 bees. I'm still getting there. I have 34 bees. I have a bunch of gifted bees and a bunch of bees. So yeah, money. Like pros be like, oh my god, only a couple trillion honey. Where's my billions? I mean, not billions, my quadrillions. Like really.
No, this is pros. Only a couple billion honey? But what's been trillions of honey, bro?
I know.
I've been growing.
Yeah, and mid-game players. No, beginners. Let's go! I just hit 1 million honey, I'm God.
Honey store! Yeah, free 500 honey!
I know. Yo, I remember when I was a noob and honey store was like, oh my god, this is so OP. I used to beg people to do honey squads. storms. Now I'm bigger than to do mythic meteor showers. Yeah, and that's why like I've done like 3 videos, but I couldn't post it because I had to verify, and I can't because it says enter your phone number, and like I can't do that. I tried to enter my mom and dad's phone number, but it didn't work. So yeah, we're just gonna have to do like 10-minute videos, 12-minute videos. I don't know how to do that. I don't know. Like you know how to edit? Yeah, but I don't really know. Guys, we can almost get on Photon Day. I have 493 tickets. I have the Crimson and the other thing. I can almost get my... What? Well, I have a gifted basic bee. Was I first gifted a gifted basic bee? I don't know. No, my first gifted ever was a gifted brave bee, I think. Or maybe gifted bumblebee. No, I think it was gifted cool bee.
Did you say bumblebee?
No, bumble. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Mythic meteor shower. Easy peasy. Well, let's see if we got anything like special. Yeah, there's still 28 days. Well, did you get your mythic egg yet? Cause like, bro, I didn't play this for a while. But did you get your mythic egg? Hey, bro, did you get your mythic egg yet? Oh yeah, guys, the call is kind of glitching. Yeah. Oh, guys, I only have 49 because I spent 7 on my quest. Guys, this is fun. I'm here for a little while, you know. Let's do this. Okay. Just gotta farm for a little while. So yeah, let's just do some of this. Yeah, we're gonna be posting more videos. You guys take a quick break. Not break. Yeah. Yeah, so now that we're back, we're gonna be making more videos. And yeah, this is quite a little longer. Can't make it too long, but yeah. Ooh, gumdrops. Let's do this. Okay, yeah. A little more of that. Okay, guys, let's just like go here and let's do our thing. So yeah, guys, I think that'll be the end of the video. I can't believe it was a mythic meteor shower, but like now we can just like, yeah. So that's actually gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.